ist der Knopf für meine Tasche. Ich werde dir zeigen, wie einen Knopf wie diesen zu machen. Magic ring to start. Chain 1. Now chain single crochet 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round, like that. And now directly from here, continue single crochet so many times you need for creating a very strong button. You need to have a very strong texture. Sorry. You don't need a particular number of stitches. Of course, you go ahead till your button is so big as you need. When you think that your button is big enough, you slip stitch to join into the next stitch below. Now chain 1, and now from here now chain 3. Enter again the very first stitch and single crochet 1. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3 into the next stitch, single crochet 1. Chain 3 into the next stitch, single crochet 1. Repeat all the way around. At the end of this round, chain 3, the last single crochet, and now slip stitch to join into the first stitch like that. Cut the yarn, and now fasten it off with a smaller hook on the back of your work. This way. Fix it very well on the back. And now under the stitches, the yarn excess. Like that. When you think it's enough, you can cut the excess like that. Okay. Now, using a needle with a hole big enough for the thread you are using, like that, please try to sew together these two bows, one near the other. This way. Now going down to the wrong side of your button, go towards the center of the button on the back, here on the wrong side. Put the needle into a center going out from the right side, and now join a nice button on the center of your button like that. Now chain so many times you like your band should be. Okay. Now stop chaining. This is the length I like for my button. I don't know how many times I chained. I can only tell you how many centimeters, if you like. 22 centimeters. Okay, now cut the yarn, pull it through, fix it very well. Now put one of the beads here, a simple knot so that the bead cannot move away. Like that, I think it's enough. On the other side, the same. Okay, and one is done. You can do so many band like that, like you need this beaded band. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4 beads as you like, of course. So I will make another one. So I made it a second beaded band, a little bit shorter than the first one, because I like the effect shorter and longer. Now we have to prepare a thread to join the two bands together. So put the two one on the other like that and join them together. Okay, now you can join the two bands using the same thread at the center of the button here on the wrong side. This way, simply, very, very simple way of joining. Now I don't fasten the thread. I will use it to fix the bottom directly on my bag. Okay, now join the button at the center of your bag. To understand which is the center, you have to bend the bag like that. And now you know that this is exactly the center of the bag. Okay. This is the center, I know. Before joining, look at your bag if this is the correct center. And now you can join it to the bag. Sorry, there was a little accident with my thread. Don't worry and go ahead. Fix the button all the way around. In a very strong way if you can. Your button is ready. That's the final effect.